You uploaded a video, you waited, 14 views, most of them you, and you're sitting there thinking, is it the thumbnail? The title? The algorithm just hates me? But here's the thing. The real reason you're stuck at 0 views has nothing to do with any of that. It's something far more basic, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Most creators think YouTube is a content problem. Make more videos, better videos, consistent videos. But YouTube isn't a content problem. It's a clarity problem. Before YouTube can push your video to anyone, it needs to know who your channel is for. And right now, it doesn't. Think about your last 3 videos. Are they all for the same person? Or did you make one about productivity, one about your daily vlog, and one random opinion video? YouTube's algorithm isn't broken. It's confused. It's trying to build an audience for your channel, but your channel keeps changing what it is. Every time you switch topics, YouTube has to start over. It loses the thread. And so does your audience. Here's what the algorithm actually rewards. Consistency of topic. Consistency of viewer. Consistency of promise. When every video speaks to the same person about the same problem, YouTube starts recognizing a pattern, and patterns get pushed. Find one person, solve one problem, say it clearly, repeat. So here's what to do right now. Open your channel, look at your last 10 videos. Ask yourself one question. If a stranger landed on my channel today, would they immediately know what I'm about? If the answer is no, that's your problem, not the algorithm. Pick one topic, one specific viewer, one clear promise. I know what you're thinking. But what if I'm interested in multiple things? That's fine. You can care about 10 things, but your channel can only be about one. At least right now. The creators you watch who seem to talk about everything. They built that freedom after years of being known for one thing first. You don't earn variety until you've earned trust. And trust starts with clarity. So here's your challenge. Write one sentence. Finish this. My channel helps blank do blank. If you can't finish that in 10 seconds, that's why you're at 0 views. Not the thumbnail, not the title, not the algorithm. You. Fix the clarity. The views follow. Go back to that channel. Look at it like a stranger. And ask yourself, do I know what this is about? Because if you don't, nobody else does either.